Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. If you like the videos in this channel, please subscribe the channel and enable the bell icon next to it. And don't forget to like, comment and share the video if you found it useful. Okay, now let's go to the video.
Hi viewers, today we are going to learn general knowledge questions for competitive exams. Which Indian city is known as Auto Hub of India? Chennai. The blood group which is called universal recipient. AB group. The blood group which is called universal recipient. AB group. Who is the writer of the book Devadas? Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay. The state in India with the least coastline. Goa. India Gate was designed by Edwin Lutyens. India Gate was designed by Edwin Lutyens. From which country India borrowed 5-year plan? Russia or Soviet Union or USSR? These are the same. The term PVC used in the plastic industry means polyvinyl chloride. The first Indian language to attain the status of classical language. The language is Tamil. The first Indian language to attain the status of classical language, Tamil. Which is called mineral oil, petroleum. Which is called mineral oil, petroleum. The chairman of the first Finance Commission, K.C. Nyogi. Pin code of Supreme Court 110201. Pin code of Indian Supreme Court 110201. Who said that INC is a begging institute? Aurobindo Ghosh. The largest American state, Alaska. Which book is called The Bible of Modern Democracy? Social Contract. Which book is called The Bible of Modern Democracy? Social Contract. Which article deals with Rajya Sabha? Article 18. Which mirror is used in solar cooker? Concave mirror. Which mirror is used in solar cooker? Concave mirror. Which was the first railway tunnel in India? Pasig Tunnel. The tallest bird? Ostrich. The tallest bird is ostrich. Which is the first tobacco-free nation in the world? Bhutan. Which is the first tobacco-free nation in the world? Bhutan. Optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection. Agra is on the bank of which river? Agra is on the bank of which river? Yamuna. Yamuna is the second largest tributary river of Ganga, originated from the Yamunotri glacier. Founders of Vijayanagara dynasty. Founders of Vijayanagara dynasty is Harihara and Bukka. Vijayanagara dynasty is also called Karnataka kingdom based on in the Deccan Plateau region in South India. It was established in 1336 by Harihara and Bukka. Who was known as the lady with a lamp? Who was known as the lady with a lamp? Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale is also known as lady with a lamp, which is called mineral oil. Petroleum, paraffin oil, these are called mineral oil. Mineral oil is made from highly refined, purified, processed petroleum. Or in another way, we can say petroleum obtained from the sedimentary rock of the earth. So it is called mineral oil. Mormugao Port is located in which state? Mormugao Port is located in which state? Answer: Goa. Who was the first Indian to win World Food Prize? Answer is M.S. Swaminathan. He is the father of Green Revolution, and also he introducing high yielding wheat and rice varieties into India during 60s. When is International Ozone Day we celebrated? International Ozone Day is celebrated in Which day? Answer is 16th September. September 16. India's only coal museum is situated at Margarita, Assam. Headquarters of Southern Railway. Headquarters of Southern Railway is Chennai. Who was known as Andhra Kesari? Who was known as Andhra Kesari? Answer T. Prakasham. T. Prakasham Pantulu. He was a politician, lawyer and a writer. Which country is called Mini India in Africa? Which country is called Mini India in Africa? Mauritius. Who is the first Portuguese viceroy in India? Who is the first Portuguese viceroy in India? Answer is D. Almeida. Francisco de Almeida is the first Portuguese viceroy in India. He was a soldier and also an explorer. Which country is called the sawmill of Europe? Which country is called the sawmill of Europe? Sweden. Where is Tago Center for the Study of Culture and Civilization is located? Where is Tago Center for the Study of Culture and Civilization is located? Himachal Pradesh. Carbon credit is related to. Carbon credit is related to global warming. The term carbon credit is related to global warming. Who wrote the book An Era of Darkness? Or who is the author of the book An Era of Darkness, the British Empire in India? The author is Shashi Tharoor. The book is written by Shashi Tharoor. He is a writer, politician and former international civil servant. The strait that separates England from France. The strait that separates England from France. Answer is English Channel, or other name is Strait of Dover. The strait that separates England from France is the English Channel or Strait of Dover. Another name is Dover Strait, Dover Narrows. These are the names. The largest river island in the world. The largest river island in the world is Majuli Island. What is the old name of Ghana? What is the old name of Ghana? Answer is Gold Coast. Ghana is one of the stable countries in West Africa, situated on the coast of the Gulf of Guinea. Official language in Bhutan. Official language of Bhutan is Songa. Songa is the official language in Bhutan. Which is the largest endocrine gland in the human body? Thyroid gland. Which is called rolling planet? Which is called rolling planet? Uranus. Author of the book Target 3 Billion. The book Target 3 Billion is written by. Answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Yoga capital of India. Yoga capital of India is Rishikesh. Rishikesh is one of the holiest places for Hindus. That is why saints for yogic arts visiting the city every year. And Rishikesh is located on the banks of river Ganga. Next question is, who discovered Australia? Who discovered Australia? Answer is Captain Cook. He is considered as one of the greatest navigators and explorers of all time. Hirakud Dam is in which state? Hirakud Dam is in which state? Answer is Odisha. Hirakud Dam is built across Mahanadi River. It is about 15 kilometers from Sambalpur in Odisha. Which element used to make engine parts of aircraft? Titanium. Which place is called Little Lhasa? Which place is called Little Lhasa? Dharmashala in Himachal Pradesh. The first Indian on whom postal stamp was issued. The first Indian on whom postal stamp was issued. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Who is the designer of Burj Khalifa? Who is the designer of Burj Khalifa? Answer is Adrian Smith. Name the first Muslim to visit outer space. Name the first Muslim to visit outer space. Answer is Prince Sulaiman al-Masood, father of allopathic system of medicine. Father of allopathic system of medicine. Answer is Hippocrates. Nephrons are the unit of which organ? Nephrons are the unit of which organ? Answer kidneys. Which was the venue of the first SAF Games? Which was the venue of the first SAF Games? Answer Kathmandu. The first state to provide electricity in all its villages. The first state to provide electricity in all its villages. Answer Haryana. The most populous island among Lakshadweep group. The most populous island among Lakshadweep group is Kavaratti. The place called the second capital of Maharashtra. The place called the second capital of Maharashtra. Answer Nagpur. The component in the human blood that carries oxygen. The component in the human blood that carries oxygen, hemoglobin. Founder of Independent Labour Party. Founder of Independent Labour Party, B.R. Ambedkar. The first scientist to prove the presence of the center of an atom. The first scientist to prove the presence of the center for an atom, Ernest Rutherford. Dairy of Northern Europe. Dairy of Northern Europe, Denmark. Which temple is called Black Pagoda? Which temple is called Black Pagoda? Sun Temple at Konark. The first cricketer to score 15,000 runs in one-day match. The first cricketer to score 15,000 runs in one-day match. Answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Founder of Indian Academy of Sciences. Founder of Indian Academy of Sciences. Answer C.V. Raman. In which state is Dudhsagar Waterfalls? In which state is Dudhsagar Waterfalls? Goa. The education system drafted by Mahatma Gandhi is accepted in the Indian National Congress session held at. The education system drafted by Mahatma Gandhi is accepted in the Indian National Congress session held at Haripura in 1938. All are equal. Some are more equal. Who said this? All are equal. Some are more equal. Who said this? George Orwell. The first Maurya emperor to embrace Jainism. The first Maurya emperor to embrace Jainism. Answer is Chandragupta Maurya. What is the term used to denote high blood pressure? What is the term used to denote high blood pressure? Hypertension. Nippon is the regional name of dash. Nippon is the regional name of Japan. The Prime Minister who gave the status of associate state to Sikkim as per 35th Amendment and by 36th Amendment was given the status of a state. The Prime Minister who gave the status of associate state to Sikkim as per 35th Amendment and by 36th Amendment was given the status of a state, Indira Gandhi. Who was called the heroine of Quit India movement? Who was called the heroine of Quit India movement? Aruna Asaf Ali. Instrument used to measure even small quantity of current. Instrument used to measure even small quantity of current, galvanoscope. Equipment which functions on the basis of binary system. Equipment which functions on the basis of binary system, computer. Who discovered the layer of ozone in the atmosphere? Who discovered the layer of ozone in the atmosphere? Charles Fabry. Who established independent dynasty in Bengal when Mughal dynasty declined? Who established independent dynasty in Bengal when Mughal dynasty declined? Murshid Ali Khan. The oldest mountain ranges in the world? The oldest mountain ranges in the world? Aravalli. Tulasidas composed Ramacharitamanasas at the bank of. Tulasidas composed Ramacharitamanasas at the bank of Varanasi. The Indian musician to use violin in classical concert. The Indian musician to use violin in classical concert. Muthuswami Dikshidhar. Okay friends.
That's all. Hope this video is very useful for you. If you like the video, please like it. Write down your valuable comments, suggestions and queries. Share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please support by subscribing the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.